alaikum, respected medical professionals, including doctors, nurses, paramedics working in Kuwait. This is Subhanullah, and today I want to clarify about how you can get your covering letter from the Ministry of Health. So before starting this process, I want to clarify about 2 points. The first point is no need to wait for the covering letter before apply for the degree verification process for the higher equivalency through Quadra Bay. If you apply through Quadra Bay, so no need to wait for the covering letter from the Ministry of Health. You can apply without receiving your covering letter from the Ministry of Health. Is it clear? Now the second point, no need to wait for the lower equivalency completion for the apply of the Quadra Bay. You can apply for the Quadra Bay degree verification process without receiving your lower equivalency certificate. So I think both points are clear. So for the lower equivalency, the covering letter is mandatory. Without the covering letter, you will not get your lower equivalency certificate. And when your Quadra Bay process is complete, after that, and when you go for the higher equivalency, so at that time you need to take your covering letter for the higher equivalency. Means that time you will receive your Quadra Bay verification, then you will get your covering letter, your civil ID and other documents, and you will go to the higher education department for the higher equivalency. So this is clear. Now for the covering letter, you should to apply through your SDU department, and you will submit the documents to your SDU department. Then they will process to the Ministry of Health. Then they will take covering letter from the Ministry of Health and will give it to you. But before submitting the documents to your SDU department, you should to fill online form, and this form you can receive through scanning the barcode. So now I will tell you that how you will fill this form and which documents required for the covering letter to submit to your SDU department. So let's start. So let's scan the barcode to open the form. This is the form you should to fill and submit it. Write your full name, your name in Arabic, your civil ID number, your gender, nationality, your Kuwait mobile number, put your category. If other than nurse, you should to put other. Hospital in which you are working, your working area, passing year of your diploma. If you are post-RN, if you are generic BSN, you should only to put the higher equivalency and put the passing year of your degree. So if you are post-RN, so you should to put the diploma date, passing year of the diploma. For example, you complete your diploma in 2010. Then for the higher equivalency, you should to tick mark all your professional qualification. If you don't have master degree, you don't have PhD, so don't touch the option of PhD, master or any. The option belongs to you. You should to put only that. Passing year of your nursing diploma. If you have generic, so put the generic passing year. If you are post-RN, so put the passing year of the post-RN degree. If you have master degree, put the completion date of the master degree. This is the required documents. But you should submit a separate set of copy of your documents for the lower equivalency and for the higher equivalency. Documents required for the lower equivalency: 1 copy of your civil ID, 1 copy of the salary certificate, but the salary certificate should be latest till 3 months, not more than 3 months. And 0.5 KD stamp should be there on your salary certificate. Also, a copy of the nursing diploma and copy of the mark sheet of the nursing diploma. But you will write on the upper right corner of the copy of your civil ID, write private, then your mobile number, and write diploma, and then you will write passing year of the nursing diploma. And for the higher covering letter, just write higher, mobile number, degree completed year. Remember just to take one salary certificate from your Mantaka with the 0.5 KD stamp, or you can take from the CSE application as well. make photocopy for the lower equivalency and for the higher equivalency. No need to submit original salary certificate. In last, you put the option yes and date of submission of your documents. When you're going to submit your documents, just put the date. Last, click on submit option. Your form will be submit. No need to take any printout of this form. Just submit this form online and then take your documents, go to your SDU, submit there with the SDU. Then they will provide you the covering letter for your lower and higher equivalency. But remember that these are the steps to follow everyone. Nurses who are working in the clinics or in hospitals or school health everywhere in Kuwait, if they want to do their equivalency, so they should to follow these steps and fill this form. And when you receive your covering letter from SDU, after that follow these steps and these location to get your lower equivalency certificate. Thank you so much.